Let us start off the cleaning with a supporting document of the work card. As we all have already learned, the practical done by the students has to be supported with the work card supported. Now, cleaning of brass articles. What is our aim today? To clean the given brass item. And the materials required for the same is toothbrush, newspaper, dusters, cotton waste, pitambari powder and Brasso solution. Procedure. Apply the pitambari paste. Leave it for 10 minutes for the chemical reaction to take place and wash it. Apply the Brasso solution. Leave it for 10 minutes and then rub it vigorously on the surface with the help of a cotton waste. Now, what are the precautions that we have done during that course of the practical? We have kept the lid of the Brasso solution closed, wearing a gloves and then wearing the headgear. Conclusion, the given brass item is cleaned. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start off with the topic called as metal cleaning, out of which we are going to learn about brass cleaning and silver cleaning. As we all know, brass cleaning is a manual type of cleaning and housekeeping department will take care of the following. These are the brass articles. First of all, what is brass? Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and the blackening part on the article is called as tarnish. It is formed due to the chemical compounds found in the moisture or in the air. Now, our duty is to clean the articles and present it well to the guest. As specified, we have also a tamarind paste which is mixed with water, which is used in the traditional method of cleaning the household articles. And we have a tamarind paste which is mixed with water, which is used for the traditional method of cleaning the household articles. The second item is pitambari powder, which is made into a thick paste for applying it on the brass articles, and we will do it in a short while. This is the cotton waste, the Brasso solution, which is available in the market very easily, and to rub it on the crevices and on the outer surface, we use a toothbrush for rubbing it on the brass article. Now let us start the practical. The fine powder mixed with water, I have made it into a thick paste, and using the thick paste on the surface of the article. Leave it for 10 minutes, let the chemical reaction take place. The tarnish on the silver articles is because of the sulfur compounds found in the atmosphere. There is something called as silver pitch. The pits formed on the silver articles because of the storage of salt and items of such sort for a longer time will cause the silver pits on the silver articles. There are three types of silver cleaning. The first one is silver dip, which is called a pink colored liquid where the silver items are dipped into it for cleaning. The second one one is polyimide method, where silver articles are immersed in hot water with a sheet of aluminium foil, which is a very traditional method. The third method of cleaning silver is with the help of a burnishing machine. A burnishing machine consists of a revolving drum with a safety shield. In this revolving drum, highly polished steel balls are immersed in a detergent solution along with the silver articles. These articles are removed from it and rinsed in plain hot water and then dried. Yes students, now it's past 10 minutes. Now we will go ahead with the washing of the brass articles, for which we have applied the Pitambari paste. Coming back to the silver cleaning, we are doing the domestic way of cleaning, as we do not have much of silver articles in the 5-star hotels. So there is a product called as Ruperi in the market, and I have taken a little bit of Ruperi into a bowl, and with the help of the cotton waste, I have applied the cotton waste. Just dip it into the Ruperi solution, which we have taken into a small bowl, and apply it on the silver item. Initially, when I showed you the silver, the tarnish was like this, and when I have applied the Ruperi liquid on the silver article, the other side of the glass is like this. Now I am going ahead with the cleaning of the entire glass. The same procedure how we have done for the brass. Rub it vigorously with the help of a cotton waste, both inside and outside. The reason why we are doing the silver articles inside is these items are used for drinking and for food serving purposes, whereas the brass articles that we have shown you before were not used for eating purposes. That means no food will be served in those items. It is only a showpiece where a flower vase can be displayed, and the croquet set. Yes students, we are doing the brass cleaning and silver cleaning practical simultaneously. We have washed the brass articles and kept it aside. In the meantime, we have applied the Ruperi, which I explained you, a domestic cleaning solution which is available in the market. I have applied thoroughly over inside and outside on all the 4 articles. Now we will leave all these articles for 5 to 7 minutes aside for the chemical reaction to take place, and then we will come back to this. In the meantime, the article is finally washed, dried, and now we are going ahead with the cotton waste and the Brasso solution, which is very well used in the 5-star hotels. What I would like we all to follow here is, we need to shake the liquid before use, and I have done it already. Take a little bit into the cotton waste, close the lid, and then apply it on the brass article. Apply it on the brass article. You can find the difference on your cotton waste by your cotton waste becoming dark in color. So it is taking the dust from the article. Apply it evenly on the surface for 5 to 7 minutes. Rub it vigorously. Now we are done with the final brass cleaning. You can see how the brass articles are shining. Now let me repeat the procedure once again as to how we have done right from the start. As I explained you, the initial phase of the brass cleaning is take a bit of pitambari and add a little bit of water to dilute it, make it into a thick paste. Apply it on the surface and leave it for 10 minutes, keep it aside. Then after 10 minutes, wash it and then dry it, wipe it with a nice duster. Then take a cotton waste into a fine ball and then apply the Brasso solution and rub it vigorously all over the surface for 5 to 7 minutes. We can see the cotton waste becoming dark. The blackening is the tarnish which was on the surface of the brass article. So the final articles are presented to the students. Moving back to the process of silver cleaning, we have applied the Ruperi solution and as I mentioned, leave it aside for 5 to 7 minutes. The chemical reaction has taken place and I am washing this article in a plain water thoroughly. This is a washed glass. Now I am going to dry it, duster. And outside. As I already mentioned, these items are used for drinking purpose. So the inside article also has to be cleaned thoroughly. Now we will be presenting all the brass and silver articles to the students. The cleaned ones are presented. Yes students, we are done with the brass cleaning and the silver cleaning practical. Here are the cleaned articles and the polished ones. As I told you, as a hotel management student, we are all supposed to support our practical with a work card. As in the initial phase, I have already explained how to write a work card. The same goes with the silver cleaning also. We have learned about how to write a work card for the brass cleaning. The same applies to the silver cleaning. Instead of Brasso, we have used the Ruperi solution. And the newspaper is spread all over the table to ensure that the area is kept clean even after the practical is done. Thank you students. Have a nice day.